Hey there, DIY enthusiasts, get ready to have your mind blown, because today I'm sharing some incredible hacks using a toilet brush. Yep, you heard that right. Strap in, because these tips are going to change the way you clean forever. First up, let's talk about cleaning car rims. Ever struggled to get those rims shining like new? Forget all those fancy tools because a simple toilet brush is your new best friend. Grab a fresh toilet brush, one you've never used before obviously. Spray your rims with your favorite cleaner, and start scrubbing. The bristles are perfect for reaching all those tricky spots. Once you're done, rinse off the rims with water, and boom! You've got yourself some seriously sparkling wheels. Next, let's move indoors. Got dirty floors or shoes? No problem. Mix up a cleaning paste with baking soda and water until it's nice and thick. Apply the paste to your tile floors, focusing on the grout lines where all that grime loves to hide. Use your trusty toilet brush to scrub the paste into the grout, working out all that dirt. Wipe away the paste with a damp cloth, and just like that, your floors look brand new. And guess what? This trick works wonders on the undersides of shoes too. Mud, dog waste, stubborn dirt, none of it stands a chance against your toilet brush. Now for a hack that's totally unexpected: dusting doormats. This one's a game changer. Take a toilet brush and cut off the handle, leaving about 10 centimeters. Attach that to a cordless screwdriver and you've got yourself a DIY power cleaner. Hold the brush head against your doormat and move it back and forth. The rotating action will dislodge even the most stubborn dirt. It might sound a bit crazy, but trust me, it works like a charm. So there you have it, folks. 3 amazing toilet brush tricks that'll make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and way more fun. Give these tips a try and let me know in the comments how they worked for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.